Papi, no se mira que muerde. No se mira que muerde. Qué cute. Mami dice, no lo puedo pegar, me va a morder. No muerde.
Ponerle un trapito, ¿no? ¿Se acuesta?
Sí.
No, pero ahorita está caliente, ¿no?
Bueno, porque en la noche en vez de si es frío. ¿Te hace frío? A ver qué hacemos. Sí, Maris y yo le vamos a comprar un collar. Lampai pink. I'm gonna name her Marley. Marley. Like, she has to get used to the name
Pero
first.
es que el agua le echaste muy poquitita.
Ahorita le echo más.
No, gato.
Okay. Marley. That's Marley, guys. She's so adorable. Does that we're not allowed to have animals? We're not supposed to have wild animals. Like neither we're not supposed to have like neither we're not supposed to have like chickens. So here we go. Me, the yellow orange one is Billy. Actually, no, it's not. It's Bella. The black and orange is Black Hawk, and the yellow one is Lime. Or lemon or whatever. And put down in the comments what you guys should think we should actually call the box. Because right now we're going to be calling her Marley. Because Marley's a good name for her. But you guys could decide in the comments if we could. What name we should